Now you can drop the mic, babe.
I did that.
Pretty crazy.
Boom!
Unbelievable.
Yes!
Wait, here, drop the mic.
Oh, yes!
Oh, right.
Look, Jake.
I thought it was really easy.
Really?
Way easier than I thought it would be. Yes. I would totally try the sinks in my bathroom. Or, I mean, yes, I guess possibilities are endless.
Probably.
Well, yes, but I'm gonna do it now from now on because why would I ask him to do it? You know, I could do it myself. Yes, and I feel like we'd save money because I feel very confident that I could follow those easy instructions. The instructions looked like they were in a foreign language and backwards. So this made a lot more sense to me.
Right, manual was.
So much easier. Yes, that was ridiculous.
Yeah, what did you think of the paper manual when you opened it?
I thought it was backwards. It was backwards and upside down. So having color instructions and it would highlight the step that you were on, it just made sense. It made it very easy. I would expect to pay a couple $100 probably at least starting for a plumber to do that. So I feel like if I'm just paying, I don't know, $20 to $50 more for a product, I would rather do that. And have the instructions. Yes, if I had the BILT instructions.